to make a savory omelette. What you need is some shredded cheese, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped green chilies, shredded chicken, or you can substitute tuna, and then we need salt and a little bit of pepper, and of course an egg. Now I have beaten the egg, and I'll put a little bit of shredded or chopped onions and a little bit of green chilies that's chopped, and a little bit of chopped tomatoes, nice and colorful. You want your savory omelette to be colorful. And then shredded chicken, a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, shredded cheese on top, mix it up with the spoon so that the salt and pepper get stirred. And now put it in the microwave for 60 seconds. Now I've taken the omelette off the microwave, and the ultimate result would be this. It's very easy to make in the microwave. So yeah, all you need to do is just take a spoon and remove it, and then just put it onto the plate, and yeah, and then you have a nice savory omelette, which is very nutritious. So that's for today. So have a nice day.